If you are ready to wake up in this place called here and now, you realize that you are not a puppet. Life pushes around. You are to the universe what the waves are to the ocean. So be a wave. Trust your intuition. Because life is an ocean. You came out of it. You are made of it. Imagine yourself as a wave playing in the ocean. Waves can't make mistakes. They always do the right thing. Go with it. It's calling you out to play. So play.